Hi. Today we will see how to create a volume moving average indicator in the TradingView Pine script. Let's see the code. This is an indicator function with the name volume moving average. The format attribute is set to format.volume. First, we take a user input for the length of the moving average. The default value is set to 20. Then, we calculate the simple moving average using the ta.sma function. The source of this function is volume itself. And then we plot this volume moving average. Here, we calculate the color of the volume bars. If the volume bar is above the moving average, and if it is greater than the previous volume bar, then we color it green. If the volume bar is above the moving average, but if it is smaller than the previous volume bar, then we color it red. If the volume bars are below the moving average, then we color the volume bars gray. And finally, we plot the volume bars like this and color them. Let's add this indicator to the chart. This is what the indicator looks like. In the input section, you can adjust the length of the moving average. The green, red, and gray bars are the volume. And the blue line you see is the moving average of the volume. If the volume bars are above the blue line, and if they are greater, then they are green in color. If the volume bars are above the blue line, and if they are smaller, then they are red in color. If the volume bars are below the blue line, then they are gray. So that's it. That's how we can create a volume moving average indicator in the TradingView Pine script. Thank you.